Today we're cooking out of a 1977 Pillsbury's cookbook of family favorites. And this cookbook really has been family favorites for us. Today we are going to make turkey and wild rice casserole. We're also going to make the fresh apple cake today. So let's get started. In a three-quart saucepan, I'm melting a half a cup of butter. And to add that, we add about a medium onion, which is a half a cup. And we saute that until the onion is tender, but not brown. You don't want the onion browned. We add a quarter cup of flour. You cook the flour in the butter and onion till it becomes bubbly, and you cook it for like about a minute or so on low, stirring constantly so it doesn't stick. And you stir in your mushroom broth and chicken broth, as well as 1.5 cups of half and half. Return it to the heat, stirring constantly until it comes to a boil. Then boil for 1 minute. Then you add your seasonings, your rice, your mushrooms, and turkey. And your drained chopped pimento. Oven's preheated at 350. Have that all mixed in there. Pour it into a 2-quart casserole dish. Then you cover and bake for 1 hour. This is a half a cup of slivered almonds. And we put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. Turkey wild rice casserole. Pillsbury's cookbook of family favorites. We're making fresh apple cake. It calls for 1/2 cup of shortening. but I always use butter. Cook that up a little bit. Then we add 1 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Firmly packed brown sugar. You dissolve, this is a cup of buttermilk, and I use this powdered buttermilk from Hoosier Hill Farm. I'm not affiliated with them, I'm just letting you know what I get on Amazon. So I dissolve the soda in the buttermilk, then add that to the cream, sugar, and butter. To that, we add 2 beaten eggs. To that, we add 2 1/4 cups of flour and the spices, which is a 1/2 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then mix that well. Then to this mixture we add 2 cups of chopped apples, and you fold those in. And you spread it out into this 9x13 baking pan. Then in this bowl I have a 1/2 cup of chopped nuts. Our family likes pecans, so I always use pecans. And a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of firmly packed brown sugar and an 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon. And you sprinkle that on top. And then we put it into a 350-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes. You bake it until a toothpick comes out clean. So today we made turkey wild rice casserole and fresh apple cake. And I want you to see how nice little chunks of apple are in there. And the sugars and pecan on top and little bits of apple throughout. It's very delicious. I hope you try my recipes. I hope you enjoy the recipes I made for you today. The turkey wild rice casserole and the fresh apple cake with nice bits of apple in it. Delicious.